Welcome to Chennai Press News Channel.
K.S.Terminals Inc. KST, a globally recognized manufacturer of electrical terminals, connectors, and interconnect solutions headquartered in Chengdu, Taiwan, today inaugurated its newest manufacturing facility in Tiruvallur of Tamil Nadu, India. The new facility was opened by by.Joe Cheng, Chief Executive Officer of K.S.Terminals, and M Prathap IAS, District Collector of Tiruvallur, in the presence of senior executives from the company and Tamilnadu Government. This milestone marks the company's official entry into one of the world's fastest growing manufacturing economies, and reaffirms KST's commitment to bringing world-class electrical connectivity solutions closer to its customers across South Asia. The new facility, spanning 36,664 square feet, is designed to support KST's expanding product lines, which include automotive connectors, EV charging connectors, battery modular connectors, cord end terminals, and a comprehensive range of insulated and non-insulated terminals, all engineered to meet the demanding standards of global OEMs and industrial buyers.
My honor and privilege to be part of this inauguration of KST Solutions, and thank you so much for inaugurating this manufacturing unit in our district, because Tiruvallur is one of the fastest growing district in the Tamil Nadu, and it is the most industrialized district in Tamil Nadu, because we share great borders with Chennai, and the connectivity of Tiruvallur is the best in the state, because we have airport in another 20 to 30 kilometers. We have 2 seaports. That is very, very important, because most of the manufacturing units are transported and exported through port. So we have port, both Chennai port and the Ennur port is part of the Tiruvallur district, and also the airport, the rail connectivity from Moped. Also we are actually now doing a railway connectivity which connects the Andhra route, which will open the gateway to the entire India. So in this way, this is one of the best destination for manufacturing and any industries to start, and especially the KST, which is mostly focusing on the connector solutions, is one revolutionary thing. Heartfelt wishes and my sincere thanks for the entire team who made this happen. And my sincere request is, I would request you to employ as much as people from the district, because the localites have to get the benefits, and this district has one of the largest number of laborers available. We have both casual laborers, and also we have educated technical youths who would be a great asset to our company. And my sincere request is, I would, as far as possible, please try to recruit as much as people from our district. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Joe Cheng. I'm the CEO of K.S.Terminals. So KST is founded in Taiwan from 1973, and this is a huge milestone for us to come to India. So KST is mainly produce electrical terminals, cover locks, and EV charging cables, wire harness and cable assemblies. And this is a huge honor for us to come here in India. So we do electrical terminals, cover locks, and then our industrial covers huge areas such as automotive, renewable energies, and then also the industrial sectors. Our headquarters is based in Taiwan. There's a place called Cheng. So finally, after 53 years, we have this chance to come over to India, Chennai, for our factories. So mainly this factory will be producing products only for domestic, not export. We have this special friend of mine, and his name is Mr. Nanda, and he's my friend, and he's one of my big brothers in India. So he introduced me to come to his industrial park. And then I look at that, I kind of like that, so we partner together. So I come here and then try to build more opportunities and build more business with him in here. The future plans, so we have facilities here, but this is only the beginnings. So we will having this is only about like 30% of the facilities that we have right now. So we eventually will have injection machines. We'll have more stamping machines, also assembly lines, and also we have one EV charging cable assembly lines, and we are looking forward to build more 2 to 3 lines in the future. Thank you.
மிஷன்